One last thing I want to show you here is read table statement. I am again using my table without header line. In other words, I'm using my work area. So now you can use read table with a field key or index. Let's start with index. And let me use this write statement here. Let me show you. Our work area is empty. When I press F5, you see second line of our internal table is now inside our work area, this line. And now it writes it with write statement. But you all don't always know the index number of your value, so you need to read it with field values, which is like this one. With key document number is I think we have a document number like that, but actually it has some zeros in front of it. Let me just copy paste them before showing you. Now you see we have 1, 2, 4 document number, but it won't find. You see subrc is 4. This means the line statement is unsuccessful. If subrc is 0, it is successful. This is the meaning of that. So you see there is no line to write. Now I just write here the right value, and now our work area is empty. When I press F5, it just finds the right value and the right line with our key, which is document number, and writes them into your screen. Also, you can use a variable to read your data. Let me declare a document number here, or I'll give you like this one. LT payment is actually ZFIT payment, or I can write here LT payment also. It's the same because I already declared it top side. And our variable is this, and I just use my variable to read the data. You see this has this value, work area is empty. I press 5 and it reads the data and writes them on screen again. To sum up, now you should know the concept of working with work areas and internal tables. From now on, you can declare your internal tables with or without work areas. I hope to see you in the next lecture.